Well, Danlad Ibrahim no semono atake a different twist out social media. Some section of Kumasa Sante Kotoko supporters no e call for say ye be punish no. And e been so a defender no. Yes, e be defender no. Na in the midst of that no Danlad ako kasa wako churu bibi o social media wa breaking the silence a o kasa enche bia no ono nchirechire mu bi e fa asem no ho no o de bebrew Danlad nsem o de tu dwan e wa ha me de brew na nsem a wakoka no eno nso e generate so much discussions o social media no. So the latest report I can say coach Ogum ebe bie na no ebe chirem die ntia Danlad ka say ono ontimi enye ready for the game no em say Danlad no nso buafu kakra no nso pese obecheche ne nsem basically. So not too long ago, 8 minutes ago, made a social media and so and Danlad echo through way to the Facebook. Or say, may Allah have mercy on us all. Nyankopon ehu ye nyina ayemobo. And otro soon I'm going to speak and ordinary pano kasa no miensa to so soon or say enchebia obekasa na ne kasa obekasa no on the side of the story and according to report I gada you say obabeka na nzema obeka no obitima kama the asamabo minim omo ya around the player at this time. If you are psychologically and mentally you are not ready, so we don't expect to say obabe church on Zambia because we now got to say be try screenshot they are breath for minim Danlad currently they are all firm, but as a professional footballer it is not advisable say obeko this tangent or chon semni we no am for react to ninsema or canon or say bro we are waiting speak obi say Danlad here twan kasa we are all crobia and I detest what is going on. Why should Frederick Asare be recalled from the Stars camp only for him to come and concede? I'm with you. Be supporting no. Also, if you love Kotoko, you don't do that. Crobia Kotoko will still move. And will be so a bashing or no. Be say it is war. It is war. Not to say comments no. They say no akoye divided. Ebi de toa, ebi de is toa, ebi supporting no, ebi say masa de oye nenye to nti Danlad dan also tenase no ye reassessment. But also nchebi obekasa. Onya kasa pe de bebro. And a comment no to also say please find a new team. Don't allow anyone to destroy your career. And now obi so de ba o say we are waiting ye twan Danlad kasa amanfo no masumi o de Danlad me kasa na nye deja and obi say amen and Sansa Robertson so bet was say leave bro, they have disgraced you. You can't treat a national product like that. Hey asemu Danlad shiwi agent tre hapa o say Danlad nko na omuntimi treat Danlad sa well Danlad in the future with Kotoko no they ade na keka kodie no aso but the obeka bia no ye de wa ha wonya kan ya ye de bebrew e wo fi ha sei